Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 11th of June, 2020. It's currently 5:24 a.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 a.m. this morning, which was 1 hour and 24 minutes ago. I just had to wait for the spreads to come in, had some work to do on the daily charts and prepare these charts, etc. So it took a little bit to get going. Didn't do a video yesterday at all because there wasn't enough action to justify one, but I'll cover what I did yesterday in today's video. So let's go to the charts if I can find them. Have some dramas today with internet as usual. Here we go. Sorry folks, what is going on here? All right, we've got a problem. Yeah, sorry about that, just had a bit of a drama for my charts. All right, this is the TradingView watch list. This is my 12-hour trades. These are all the pairs I'm trading on the right. Anything that's highlighted in blue are trades I've currently got open. Anyone that's in orange I'm going to discuss in the video, and if there's no highlights, which there is none I don't think, which means there's no trade. So we're pretty busy at the moment. So let's start with the Oz New Zealand. This was this morning. Get on the right time frame will help. Go to 12 hours on daily there. Sorry about that. I'm having a shock at the moment. All right, here we go. We're on track here. Something's not right here, but anyway. All right, we had a new buy signal this morning. I'm already in a sell. Now this is the trend is going up, as you can see. I've taken this sell here. Sells are designated by the red vertical dash line and the solid red horizontal line. It's already in a sell, already closed half because prices, the MACD's gone through the zero level, which is just the oscillator down here. It's a zero lag MACD. So all I've done this morning is move my stop down on that sell to 107. You can just see it's a red dotted line underneath price there, 107.649. And I've taken a new buy signal this morning, and it's based on this regular bullish divergence. You can read my notes. So S1 is the first sequence or the first trade. Sequence 2 is the new trade. So just pause the video, read my notes. You can see what I've done. New buy this morning and no stop in place, regular bullish divergence. Overall break even for both trades is this yellow dash line. And because it's I'm net plus 0.01 overall, as long as price remains above that yellow line, I can close both trades and be profitable on both. This green dash line down here is just a big number, which in this case is parity. Anytime you see red trend lines, it's bearish divergence. Green trend lines, bullish divergence. So this QMP filter, these red and green dots on the price chart, it's just that to help me with the indicator, the MACD Platinum, and another indicator you can't see, it's not displayed, called the QQE Advanced. When the QQE cross and the MACD Platinum cross or dot are in sync, it produces these dots on the charts. So with the MACD Platinum, I'm looking to buy when it's below the zero level and sell when it's above the zero level. That's the Aussie New Zealand. Stop move down on the sell, new buy taken. Euro AUD, this is one from about 12 hours ago or 13 hours ago. There was a trend line break. I spoke in one of my previous videos. So I ended up taking, I know there's a lot happening on this chart. So sequence 1 starts all the way over here. I took an 8th buy on sequence 1, and on sequence 2, which is this one in here, it's a sell. I moved my stop down to 164.356. So you can see that noted over here on sequence 2. And sequence 5, which is this buy, I took a second buy signal. This is all based on this trend line break. Went against me initially, starting to go in my favour now. So I took a second buy And you can see that on these notes here. Now, these yellow lines are all the break-even levels. So there's multiple break-even. So we've got one for the sequence 1. We've got one for sequence 3, which is this buy, started at a buy here. We've got one for sequence 5, which is really tight, just below, just above price at the moment. And we've got one for overall. So there's 4 yellow lines in there. So it's a busy chart. I know it's a lot happening. Ideally, I want this price to pile up through these yellow lines, and I can start looking at getting out of some of these trades and making life a little bit easier. But that's the thing with the 12-hour charts. I'm all over the place when it comes to trying to take as many trades as possible. Chart like this gets really ugly. That's why you keep notes, and also all these trades on any pair on the 12-hour and the daily charts are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. Everyone's got access to those shared spreadsheet. The link to that is in the description of the video. So it's has all my trades from the 3rd of Feb on the 12-hour charts there. Euro Swiss was also at the 4 p.m. candle. Well, that's when basically this buy in here, I've left the lines on the chart so you know, was my original sequence 1, and this was the sequence 2. This buy trade had a stop in place here. That stop's been taken out, the red dotted line there. So I can delete that now. I just left it on the chart to show you where it was. So it was that buy trade there. Sorry. So that's gone. And this blue line here is gone. So that just leaves me in the sell, buy, second sell, overall break even for those 3 trades is up there, which is good because we're below them now. And probably this afternoon, if it keeps on heading down, I'll take some action on those 3 trades. The MACD Platinum's just about through the 0 level, and it's time to take some action. So that was a profit of $19.44, and that's been added to the total profit to date, which is from the 3rd of February. And this is all based on a 0.02 lot. So it's Euro Swiss, USD Swiss franc, which was 24 hours ago roughly. All I did, you know my rules, all I did was take a hedge sell in there, so second hedge sell. That was about just over 24 hours ago, and it's just kept on going down. As you can see, the MACD Platinum started with a buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, and it's pretty well stayed below the 0 level the whole time. Now looking for a new buy. And if you watch my daily charts, this is one pair that's giving me some grief at the moment. It is tough to trade on the dailies, but we'll see how we go. And finally, USD Japanese yen. That's from this morning. All right, I was in multiple trades here on one sequence. I was in a sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell. Now what I've done this morning is I've closed this, closed that, and closed this, and closed 0.09 of this third sell trade and put a stop in place just below the entry. This is my overall break even. MACD Platinum through the 0 level. Didn't give me a lot of wiggle room. Ended up with a massive profit of $10.39 and with potential maybe making a few more dollars to the downside. So, oh, that one's right. So all these lines now, I've just left them on the chart to show you where the trades were. They can be removed. It's no longer in play. We're at a big sort of resistance / support level here. You can see the blue line I've drawn here. Price has bounced around it a few times. Now we're on that line at the moment, so it's just something to be aware of. All the so we're just in this one. So I'll just get all these lines off the chart so I can just a lot clearer for you where we're at. Probably an easy way of doing that on TradingView, but I don't know. So I've got just the remaining 0.01 stop in place below the entry level. Can't lose any on that, and the profit total's been added to that. So that's all that's been happening on the 12-hour charts in the last sort of 24 hours. Hasn't been super exciting, hence no video yesterday. Everything's been pretty well straightforward, either mentioned in the previous video or it's obvious and you know my rules. So yeah, no dramas. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button, and I will chat to you probably this afternoon by the looks. Cheers.